Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Ice Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, and here you're looking for Ice Edge. Up here, adventures, or just click on search. Then here add ice, sorry, add here Ice Edge adventurous. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.